Today I'm going to show you how to make ghost meringues. Then to make the meringues you will need 3 egg whites and 150 grams of caster sugar. To a bowl, I just used a little bit of lemon juice just to degrease the sides of the bowl. It's completely optional. I just find that it helps to help the meringues puff up as much as possible when you're beating them. Then add your egg whites, and using a whisk, you want to whisk your egg whites until you get soft peaks. Then add your sugar a little bit at a time, just beating in after each addition. And you should end up with your meringue mixture having soft peaks and being a really nice glossy finish. Then you want to pop your meringue mixture into a piping bag with a piping tip. I only wanted little ghosts, so I used a very small piping tip, but if you want bigger ghosts, then use a bigger circle piping tip. And then to your baking tray, you want to add your baking paper. To make sure the baking paper sticks down, I just add a little bit of meringue into each of the corners of the baking tray before sticking the baking paper down. Then you want to pipe your meringue ghosts, so you want to pipe a bigger blob on the bottom and then a smaller blob on the top. This did take a bit of practice, and I did have a few very squiggly ghosts. And when pulling away the piping bag, you want to try and leave the trail that you would usually try and hide. So then it kind of creates the tail at the top of the head of the ghost. And then pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 1, 140 degrees centigrade or 120 fan assisted for an hour. And then once the hour is up, turn your oven off and leave the meringues to cool in the oven. This makes them nice and chewy in the middle. And then for decorating the ghosts, you will need 50 grams of chocolate, either milk or dark. I use dark. You want to chop up your chocolate as fine as possible. You then want to pop it in a microwavable bowl in the microwave and put it on 20 seconds at a time until the chocolate is fully melted. And then using, ideally, a toothpick. I did use a very dull knife, but I did it very carefully. You then want to draw your faces onto your meringues for your ghosts. So 2 dots for the eyes and a slightly bigger dot for the mouth. And just repeat until you have all your meringue ghosts. And then just pop this to one side, just to allow it to cool. It should only take about 20 minutes to half an hour. And there you have it. That's how you make meringue ghosts.